In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the 255 efficiency level on your pickaxe in Minecraft 1.21.5. So it's pretty easy. So let's first get a normal pickaxe just to compare, and now let's bring the 255 one. So this is what you're gonna write down: /give alt p Minecraft diamond pickaxe Minecraft enchantments equals efficiency 255. So after you do this and click enter, now you have the one with 255 and the regular one. So let's test them out. So if I go to game mode and go to survival, press enter, now I can just test the normal one, so you can see the difference. The normal one is very slow. This is how fast the one with 255 efficiency. So it's pretty fast, and you can do this with the same unbreaking 255 and whichever enchantments you like. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.